Hey guys, this is Larry Buckaloo. Just coming at you today to do a little webinar on how to start posting jobs on Indeed. I'm here helping Gustavo out. We're gonna create an account for him so he's able to start recruiting. I'm just gonna go into this now. I'm gonna share my screen. All right, you guys should be seeing this right here. So this is our Indeed screen, and we're gonna set this up. Um, well, we're going to set this up right now under your new email account. However, you probably don't have access to tomorrow, but I want to just get this started so we can show everybody how to. So we're going to go with Gus at OrtizHealth.org. All right, and then all right, well, we're going to sign in. Might have to create an account. No, let me see here. All right, not a member. We're going to create a new account. So we're going again with Gus at OrtizHealth.org. All right. Sunny 14. Create an account. All right. So once you've created an account, created Indeed resume. No, we want to go to employer. All right. So again, I'm just doing all this just so you guys can see how to go ahead and create an account. Usually, they want you to start an account with a domain of your own. So in this case, we did get our own domain, so that's why we're now setting it up under his company name legally. LLC. Gustavo Sanchez. All right, and we'll just say other. Life health insurance agents. Okay, and this one, we're just going to do this one in Tampa. That's where we're at. Okay, so this is asking you if you can work remote. Obviously, nowadays, most things are being done remote or over the phone. So we're going to put yes, and not just temporarily. You can do this. We can do this job, life or health insurance, over the phone anytime. So we're going to go from here. So this is insurance sales rep. Click on full time or commission only. Again, you can do whatever you want here, but this is usually money-wise, I don't like to mess with it, but if it throws something in there, I'm just going to leave it there. Is there any additional forms of compensation? This is only a commission position. This is if you had your company and you were hiring somebody for a W-2 position, what you offer. Obviously, in this case, we don't offer any benefits. Only waiting conditions. I'm going to leave that open. How urgently looking to hire within the next 3 days. How many do you want to hire? We're going to go with 10 plus. Matter of fact, we're just going to go, I have an ongoing need to fill this role. Okay. All right, we're going to click on continue. Again, what availability is needed for the job? Again, this is anybody, they can pretty much work whatever they want, and they can work part-time, full-time, day shift, night shift, or on call, what have you. You just pick something here. Is this a commission-only position? It is. Is a life insurance required? Obviously. And which best describes your company culture? And this is up to you. Maybe detail oriented, innovative, aggressive, outcome oriented, people oriented, whatever you want here. Just going to go with those. Please enter your company's website. This is going to be OrtizHealth.org. We're just going to leave this one blank for now. All right. So Indeed looks like they want to offer their assistance for pay. We're going to do this all on our own. Do my own recruiting. All right. So this is a template that they're suggesting that we use. I don't like to put in other things besides. I usually do have a normal one that I use. However, it's probably best if you use something that they're suggesting you use. Because it's already written by them. It's already going to be approved. It's not going to get denied like if you were to put your own. Sometimes they don't like to see things like virtual. They don't want to hear that you're selling virtually or things like that. So I just want to stay with the original script that they give me. Once I'm approved, I can go in there and change it later. But again, my job is to try to get this approved so we can start posting jobs. So I'm going to use that template. All right, so that's in there. COVID consideration. I'm just going to leave that blank. Let's view a preview. So this is what the job is going to look like. Life and health insurance agent for Ortiz Healthcare Insurance LLC in Tampa. Pay from $31,000 to $150,000 a year. Again, this is the script that they gave me, and I'm going to use that. Everything looks good so far. All right, and how do you want to receive your applications? We're just going to go by email. Do you want applicants to submit a resume? Yes. You guys, you could take those emails or resume, put those into a CRM, and then later on keep sending them messages, see if they're still interested in working in future months. So you don't ever want to get rid of the people or the applicants that ever are applying to your position. All right, and employer assist, that's off. We're just going to continue. Okay, I'm instructed Indeed to notify candidates I have declined their application if I do not interact with them or Indeed in a chosen time per the frame. So if you're posting jobs, make sure you're responding to them because they will turn it off if for some reason they just see you posting jobs and not responding or getting back to the people that are applying. So we're going to go with yes, I agree. All right. So this is if you want to put qualifications in here, like 1 year of sales experience, things like that. I don't really care too much about PC license, maybe insurance sales, something like this. I'm just going to leave it as plain as possible. Only notify me when candidates meet all my requirement. No, I want to know everybody. We don't want to discriminate against anybody. Customizing screening. You can, set up different skill sets for them to take. Again, right now, we're just trying to get as many applicants so we can find the right people to help us out in fighting this war on poverty or making sure everybody has insurance, has life insurance, has health insurance, what have you. Let's go from there. All right, so preview job, again, life and health insurance agents, Ortiz Healthcare, gives you all the information, job descriptions in there. Everything's looking good so far. All right, now you have an option here. This is totally up to you. Again, you do have the option to post jobs for free with Indeed. So that's what we're gonna go for. But if you do ever want to put this as a sponsored job, what Indeed will do, it'll always put your job on top of anybody else's that comes in. Now, if you post a job today and you don't have it as a sponsored job. It's just going to get pushed down by all the other jobs that are being, or all the other job opportunities that are being created. So within maybe a week, you may not be getting any more applications because you are now falling way down below. But if you take it, you spend some money by sponsoring a job, your job will get greater visibility than anybody else's because it's going to remain at the top. All right, so we're just going to not optimize the job. And we're going to say no thanks. All right. All right, we want to be able to reach you. Our team's here. Okay, so they're gonna call you guys. You want to make sure that you take any calls that are coming in. Don't just let it go to voicemail, because if you miss the call from Indeed, they will not activate your account. So you want to make sure that you verify they're going to call you. They're going to verify to make sure you are who you say you are, that you are a legit business. They may even ask you for your license from the state to prove that you are a licensed agent, or even maybe your agency. So whatever they ask for, try to get that to them as quickly as possible so you can get out there and recruiting, okay? All right, so we're just going to continue on. So again, just what I was talking about. Please provide proof of identity. So we're going to go ahead and get this done. Your information is secure and will not be shown to jobs or share applicants. So we're going to verify by phone. Okay, expect a call on this number, Gustavo. So we've got that. Let me see. 252 2184. So what this is going to do is send you a code. I need that code. So again, guys, we're just going ahead and try to verify this as soon as we can. Oh, well, it looks like we already did that with the phone. Not sure what that. All right, so looks like okay, so all right, so they're gonna send you an email to let you know once a job is posted. We've requested for them to send Gustavo a phone call to verify the account. So they'll probably be calling him here within the next day or so. Send confirmation. I don't know if I want to be able to do that right yet. Well, this is what we're going to do for right now. We're going to try to get this approved until, let's go ahead and do Okriko. New password. Sonny. All right. So we're just going to change the email. So see if it went to Okriko. All right. So what we're doing here is just trying to, because we're having an issue. He just activated that email address today. Let me see if we can. New email. Yep. Confirm. All right. So we've just confirmed the account a different way. So we're pretty much set. So the job is now posted. All we're doing now is pretty much going to be waiting for a person from Indeed. One of their customer support will be calling Gus, asking him a few questions about his business, making sure that everything is set up. So from there, those were the steps on how to start an account with Indeed. And what you're going to be able to do with this account in Indeed is you're going to be able to start recruiting new agents that are licensed, non-licensed, or what have you. So if you have any questions, you can always reach me directly. My name is Larry Buckaloo at 813-863-5917. And my email is larry@buckalooFinancialServices.com. So with that said, I'm just going to stop sharing the screen, back on with you guys, and just want to say thanks for taking the time to listen. Again, don't hesitate to call me if you have any questions. I'll be able to walk you through this. Other than that, you guys all take care. All right, guys. Adios.